621. This code will not run because we made a mistake. We made a fucking mistake. So in the Purehue function section, here's some monkey wrench macker right here, and then this is the RGB converted to a linear hue in the range 0 to 1530 -1. If we go down here, here is where things are going wrong. We will fix this in the next video. And then right here, we accidentally used bubble brackets instead of square brackets, and now we have fixed this bug in video 621, which is the fucking video that we're in, okay? So let's go down to the next section. So right here, Purehue RGBA hex to bin3 RGB. So a uint32 hex value to a 3-bit hex value. We put use strict here. We fixed these member names. They were misspelled, so we also fixed a bug in this video. And let's see what else we did. So down here, error checking. So this, just a little extra error checking for this function up here, okay? And what else did we do? So down here, RGBA hex bin3 RGB SAS. Okay, so this is a special error checking function specifically for the function with this name right here. We got the gotten value, the expected value, and an error message to throw when things go wrong. This is a flag for if we have an error, and if the expected is not equal to the gotten, then we're going to yell at the user. We're going to flag as having an error. We're going to do a little bit of extra checking just to make sure that everything is in the correct range, and if it is, we're not going to do anything, and if it's not, then we're also going to yell at the user and flag as having an error, and if we are in the error condition, we're going to log out some information here, and then throw an error and crash everything, and just fucking crash everything. So then in the unit test section, if we scroll down into this unit test function, we've added more code. So this is the color key for the greens, the color key for the reds, the color key for the blues, the color key for the yellows, and the color keys for the cyans. So those are the hex values that have been extracted from this image right here. So then down here, this is the equivalent binary values that those hex values should filter down to. Here is the function that we're going to use to filter down, and here's our special assert function. We're going to use the function. These are the values that we expect to get back. Here's the error message we're going to throw if the assert function fails, and that's all we did here. So like, subscribe, send money in the mail. I feel like I went over time. Like and subscribe.